Hello and welcome to another edition of NHIS in a week. In the headlines, Health Insurance Knowledge Sharing Center, NHIA and Kofi team up to roll out courses. Book Without Borders Foundation enrolls over 1,500 children onto the NHIS. Now to the details. A team from the National Health Insurance Authority and Kofi have organized a one-day workshop to finalize the course outline to be rolled out at the NHIA Kofi Health Insurance Knowledge Sharing Center to be situated at the University of Ghana Business School. The project lead, Dr. Francis Xavier Ando Ejay, took the floor to throw light on the content of the courses.
We have all agreed that as much as possible we want to make this course as practical and relevant to our operations. So you are the professionals. If you think the title of the course is not the right title, give us the right title. We will do the course, and then when we get back to our unit, we can do with our data analytics units. So the title shouldn't be a problem. But what is relevant to our operations and what is relevant, that will make it more practical and useful to us as practitioners of the healthcare system.
The NHI staff was on hand to register football fans during last week's Ghana Premier League match between Samatex FC and Kotoku Royals FC at the Samatex Sports Stadium in Samaboy. Both teams are sponsored by the NHIS under a partnership deal that was signed last year. The NHIS team ran a smooth registration process to the delight of the supporters and educated the football fans on the self-enrollment mobile app known as My NHIS. The scheme added 329 new members during this exercise at the Samatex Sports Stadium. Moving on, the Ghana Shippers Authority is the latest organization to benefit from the special corporate registration exercise organized by the Corporate Affairs Directorate of the National Health Insurance Authority in collaboration with the Membership and Regional Operations Directorate. This exercise forms part of measures to increase membership in the National Health Insurance Scheme, as well as achieve universal health coverage by 2030. Staff of the Ghana Shippers Authority took turns to register, renew membership, and successfully linked their NHIS card to their Ghana cards. Also, a non-governmental organization, Book Without Borders Foundation, has funded the enrollment of more than 1,500 children under the age of 18 in the National Health Insurance Scheme. Master Nicholas Boama, the chairman of the foundation, who's only 11 years old, donated 14,000 Ghana cedis to the NHIS to cover the cost of registration, renewal of membership for children within the Teshi metropolis. For the second year in a row, Master Boama has facilitated this exercise and has posted a YouTube request for donations in order to cater for the NHIS registration for more minors under the age of 18.
Mobile health insurance ama monkwala no mobile no process na it is saying at the map.
Buy the process no so no year no or fair big buy no mo di kan ye dey ama ya ai kita ni ba kita ni this year
That also
oh process is fine we started the video are so fine card no so eboa because so mo parent about others people are ultimately yin sika o ye we na coupon ensure no process is fine the best am na mo go so na mo boa yan para no dey amos ba so me pese me akra to aso ade ba mani abre be se me ye ma me ba no me ko boa se ma me sai koprai na me ko hospital no ibisa me card wo hin insurance card wo hin na me so ma ja ofie be de wo me phone so apa me yi kire no
Still in the bulletin, the National Health Insurance Authority has expanded its operations by opening customer service centers at some of its credentialed healthcare facilities to improve the experience of NHIS members at healthcare service points. When NHIS members visit the facilities for medical care, these customer service centers inside the hospitals are there to help them. The NHIS staff will be stationed in these centers will interact with patients and members of the public to receive and resolve complaints, assist them to navigate through the healthcare processes, renew membership, and register new members onto the scheme.
I'm not here to say that we know better than you. You are interfacing with the people. And these are some of the challenges we have even been dealing with in the past. So we, as a national committee, we sent emails around the regions and to the district.
So our final story, with an overall goal to make NHIA the most visible and reliable public service organization with the most responsive staff, executive management approved the training of NHIS staff in the districts on customer service and relationship building. Dangbe East and South Tone districts in the Greater Accra region were privileged to go through this innovative concept and appreciated executive management for making the capacity building of staff a top priority. The two-day training was organized at the District Assembly Hall in Ada and was facilitated by Ruth Kukwa Intumi Coleman, a manager of the Client Services Unit of the Corporate Affairs Directorate of the authority. She took participants through two sections of presentations to equip them with the applicable knowledge on customer service needed to serve members of the scheme to perfection. Up next is health tip. On this week, we look at tonsillitis. Now, this is how we wrap up on this week's edition of NHIS in a Week. For more stories, do log on to our website www.nhis.gov.gh or follow us on all our social media platforms displayed on the screens. Thanks for watching.